Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Rolo pretzel bites. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and as I was scrolling through the internet looking for ideas, I happened across the Sarah's Bake Studio website. I'll leave a link in the description. Sarah has a recipe there that I thought would be perfect for the occasion, although I did make a couple of slight changes in the execution. Let's see how it turns out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Rolo pretzel bites, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I've got something special planned. For this recipe, I'm using 24 waffle pretzels, 12 Rolo Caramel Candies, 8 ounces of Candy Quick white compound chocolate, and some green sprinkles. I'm also using a small cutting board, some parchment, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Unwrap the Rolos. Place 12 waffle pretzels on a small lined cutting board. Place a Rolo Caramel Candy on top of each waffle. If you place the candies upside down, they'll melt a little better. Place a waffle on each Rolo. Microwave them for 50 seconds at 1/2 power. Another option, the one in Sarah's recipe, is to use a conventional oven and bake the assembled treats for 3 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove them from the oven and gently press down on the top pretzel, spreading out the melted Rolo. Place them in the refrigerator for at least an hour so the chocolate can set. In a microwave-safe bowl, add the white chocolate and melt it according to the package directions. Dip a pretzel bite in the melted chocolate, drain the excess, and return it to the lined cutting board. Immediately add some sprinkles. Repeat with the remaining pretzel bites. Return them to the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Oh, well done, Sarah. Crunchy and chewy, and the 2 chocolates and caramel combine to make a great flavor combination. And these would be great for any occasion. Just change the colors of the sprinkles. For Independence Day, red and blue sprinkles. For Christmas, red and green. For St. Swithin's Day, you get the idea. If you're looking for some bait for your leprechaun trap, you really ought to try these.